Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So today we're going to talk about the comparison operator. So what is a comparison operator? So basically you must be familiar with the word comparison, right? So what comparison means, we are comparing two values, right? But let me give you a proper definition of the comparison operator. So comparison operator are used to compare value and determine the relationship to each other, right? So the most common comparison operator are, I'm going to show you. Let's say we have a variable a and b, right? So we are storing two values, similar values, tan and tan, and we are comparing, that is a equal to b. So last time I told you double equal to sign represent the equal symbol, and single equal to sign represent storing the value inside the variable, right? So now I'm going to run this. So it's given a boolean data types, which showing it is true. Okay, so now we can see over here the another example. Similarly, those are the value for A and B. Now I'll take a value for C. So C equal to 20, right? So then we're gonna compare A equal to C. A basically 10 and C equal to 20. So that will give us false. Now I want to say A is not equal to C. So what will give this answer, guys? Well, it will give true. Why is true? Because that is not equal to, and that logic is true. Like A is not equal to C. A is 10 and C is 20. Is X equal to 100, Y equal to 120. So Y is greater than X? Yes, of course, because Y is 120 and X is 100. So that will give us true. Similarly, I would like to say Y is greater than equal to X, where Y is 120 and X is 100. So just ignore the equal to symbol over here, but it's just a greater. But when you're building an algorithm, this can cause an error, logical error, right? So you need to be very careful with that. But right now this is fine, so it will say true, right? Similarly, is X is less than Y, so it is true because X is 100, Y is 120, right? Similarly, X is less than equal to Y, so it is true. Well, you have to stay focused while working with the uh, comparison operator, because a lot of time it causes problem, because most of the time comparison operator are the reason is causing a logical error. So in future when you're building an algorithm, then you will understand where the logical error caused by the comparison operator. Right guys, I'll see you next time. Peace.